Namaste to all learners. My name is Nikul Patel. Topic for the today's video is types of pattern. Part 3. In part 1 and 2, we learn about one piece pattern and split pattern. Now, we learn about loose piece pattern in this video. Sometimes it is not possible to remove pattern from the mold box because of its complexity and send around patterns intricate shape. यानी कि पैटर्न हम इजीली रिमूव नहीं कर सकते मोल्ड बॉक्स में से बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स शेप. दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी एलिमिनेट बाय यूजिंग लूज पीस पैटर्न. In this type of pattern, several loose pieces are used along with the main pattern. Loose piece makes pattern removal process simple for mold making process. In this slide, loose piece pattern is shown. In this figure, the portion with inclined lines is known as main pattern, and these two parts which have mesh lines are known as loose piece or loose part. This pattern consumes more time and effort in comparison with previous two patterns, one piece pattern and split pattern. But it's worthy when we need to manufacture complex object with the help of casting process. Loose piece or part is attached with the pattern with the help of dowel pins, just like this. It is only detached when we remove the pattern from the mold box while casting process. Now, let's understand how to use this pattern for mold preparation with one example, step by step. In this figure, you will see that the pattern is surrounded by the molding sand, just like this. And molding sand and pattern are kept inside the molding box. Now, understand how this pattern is removed from the mold box. At first, the main part of the loose piece pattern is removed from the mold box vertically upward, just like this. This is how the cavity is generated by removing the main pattern, but loose parts are still there, and we need to remove from the mold box for completing the full cavity inside the mold box. For removing these two parts, first we need to pull this part in horizontal direction like this and then move vertically upward just like main pattern like this. You can see the cavity is generated after first loose part removal. Follow the same method for second loose piece part. First, move horizontally, then vertically upward like this. This is how full cavity is generated with the help of loose piece pattern, and this cavity is not possible with the help of two piece pattern or one piece pattern. Similar way, you can cast different object with loose piece pattern. This pattern is used for making axle supporting pins. In this object construction, lower part is manufactured in drag portion and upper part is manufactured in cope. Loose piece pattern is used in drag for manufacturing this type of shape. Another example is rotor or wheel hub. This object is also manufactured in two parts, upper parts and lower parts with the help of loose piece pattern. Remaining types of pattern will be covered in next part. Stay tuned for the next part and for the remaining syllabus. Thank you.